Again, Martha Karua. And let me also tell you. We are saying that it is possible that will be having the top leadership of Azimio consider and understand the Constitution of Kenya that calls for 50-50, and therefore as a new leader is going to be appointed by our fifth, our presidential candidate, they will be considering a woman to be a running mate.
Mutumia ucio fati ukoro ari Martha wa Karua. I have no doubt in my mind. Ni ngari ta Wanjiru wa Karua na ngaigua atumia ingi no marario tani no haria matari marakinya handu magetikira ati kumira na mugambo mwe atumia ingi ni marauga atiriri mutumia uria ukoretwo ari haro-ini miaka mingi mutumia uria ukoretwo akirite ikero na ukinyite kiro iria ingikinya gite kia deputy president mutumia ucio ni Martha wa Karua. Mutumia ucio uria ukoretwo akiruirira ungumania consistently miaka mingi ni kumarira daika iri tukarindi.
We do not know why it's rocket science. We do not see how you cannot see the value of Martha. And one of the values of Martha is, of course, she's a national figure. She has vied for presidency. Martha has been a minister. She knows how to run government. And Martha's record speaks for itself. She's a committed woman. She's known for integrity and she's known for her resoluteness. And we think that she would add not only to Azimio, but to this country as a deputy president.